Oh man, so we gotta talk about Amazon. Amazon up 4.58% as I'm doing this video, $160. And the market is down. This thing is incredible. When you look at the market, here it is. Actually, the NASDAQ is trying to make a comeback, but look at that heat map. Look at this heat map right here. How bright Amazon is. You have to put your sunglasses on. Look at Tesla. There's the contrast, right? Bright green, bright red. A winner, a loser. I lost money in Tesla today, but that is another video. This video, we're going to talk about Amazon. So let's talk about this move right here, because I want to tell you that this move is not over. It's just beginning. Yeah, you don't really want to chase 4.6%, but you do want to get on board. So you're going to have to decide, because tomorrow we could be up another 4.6%. I'm just saying, I don't know if that's going to happen tomorrow, but Amazon has been in a year consolidation. I had this box highlighted for the longest, and we had multiple fake breakouts here. Can we call this one a fake breakout? It didn't, just kind of hit the top of the range, right? Came back down to the bottom of the range down there. Hit the top of the range again. This time, this is what made me start buying some Amazon, kind of changing my portfolio to get long Amazon, because it hovered, right? All of these other touches was a pinpoint. Now you're hovering. You're showing that pressure that you want to build up on that resistance, and you're going to blow through, right? Just always think of a battering ram. Boom, 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 right? The bigger the ram, the bigger the swing, you're going to blow right through that resistance right now. Hopefully, because it's still early yet, but I have confidence in this trade that resistance now will be support. Now, a lot of times also when stocks break out, they come back and check the breakout point and then take off. I want to show you NVIDIA. Let's go to NVIDIA real quick, because it's very similar. And you know how NVIDIA just ripped through the 700s. Look, I got the same chart up. And look how when it broke through, right there. How about I get through, let's get rid of these lines. Yeah, remove that drawing, and there. We'll just remove that. I want you to concentrate on the box. There's the breakout, just like Amazon, and then look what just happened. Why did it do that? Because it was in consolidation for almost a year. It's the same chart. NVIDIA didn't, this thing, I was long, super long NVIDIA, and I took off the trade because it was going so fast. I wanted to wait for the pullback. I wanted to wait for the check back to resistance, which is now support. And it looked really close. It did not happen. It just kept going. I have a feeling that Amazon is going to do the same thing with this down market and this up almost 5%. I mean, you don't really see Amazon up like this unless it's like an earnings, it beat earnings or something like that. But earnings is coming. And these stocks typically they run into earnings. So let's see when the earnings is coming. Let's bring it up. There he is, right there. Earnings July 29th. That's, what is that? 23 days away? You could miss this one. I'm almost certain it's going to run into earnings. Now, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for educational purposes only, entertainment, right? So I'm long Amazon, and I'm playing it. Yeah, you could play it however you want to play it. I'm selling puts against it, and I bought some way out leap out of the money call spreads, and that's how I played it. And I'm not going to worry about that position for a couple of years. I think they're July 2023s. So I want you to look at the monthly, right? There's the monthly. You could see it a little better up over. It tags, right? It tags both of my moving averages up over. Now it just tagged the short moving averages. To tell you the truth, I wish it was able to consolidate a little longer for the breakout, right? Until everything can kind of clash. But nah, it's just gonna tag that short moving average and move on like it did here. You know, even though these averages are together, it tagged that short one and it moved on. Look how it didn't even give you a chance. So you could look at that last breakout, right? No pullback. It just took off. Amazon is about to do the same thing again, right? So you have your different levels, right? So there's the run, level, run, and then we'll be up here somewhere. This next move should be equal to this move right here. Should be the same kind of move. And to me, that's putting it up by 5,000, somewhere around 48 to 5,000 is my guess. When you look at the option chain, I'm gonna go out to where I am, right? 710 days out, June 16th, 2023. You can see that they have it moving 1,236 points. Now, generally, when it goes out that far, it's inaccurate. With the volatility, it's inaccurate. But that's what the options. That's how the options are priced. So right now, it's trading 336.73, and we're gonna add that 1236. It's bringing that to 4,909. Is how these options are priced. That the stock is gonna move. Now it's up or down. We're going to assume it's going to move up. Of course, it could go down 1,200. Let's hope not. Jeff Bezos is not the CEO no more. Maybe it will. I don't know. The new CEO, he's starting off with a terrific run. But anyway, when you look at the monthly, you can easily see what's happening here, right? So Amazon looks really good. I'm going to go back to the weekly. Look at the stochastic. It's in line with the next move. All right, so when you look at, I could bring you here to my positions real quick. And here it is, Amazon. Look at all the trades I got on. So I got the June 16, 23, 47 to 4,800. So I got 10 of those things, right? If I were to hold on to that and the stock were to close above 4,800, that would be something like $78,000. I computed something like that. This trade expires January. This coming January, 6 months from now. I sold the 3,200s and bought the 3,180s for protection. Right? So right now I did that 12 times. Right now for each option, there's about $500 left for each option. So 500 times 12, I'm gonna do the math. That's $6,000 left on this trade. As long as it could stay above 3,200, I'll collect that 6 racks. This trade right here, the same expiration. I sold the 3,100 and bought the 3,080 for protection. You can see right here that it's about another $400 left juice on that one. And you can look right here. Hopefully you can see these. Already extracted, what is that, about $500, $600 from that trade, and another $400 to go if I were just to let it expire. I may take this trade off soon. And here's another account, Amazon. And look at the data, by the way. And this is why I sell options. Look at the data on the whole portfolio, 64, 62. This is how much I'm going to collect a day. 64 plus 62 plus, I'm adding it up, 46 plus 4, right? $176. It doesn't even have to go up. Tomorrow, when tomorrow comes, I should basically be up $176 from the get-go, regardless of what happens, okay? Because that's how much the options are. They're decaying, and I sold them, so I gain on that. Let's look at here's my Amazon trades. These all expire 17 days from now, and I sold two 3,500s, right? These are kind of aggressive. These are aggressive trades. It's trading at 36.71 now. I mean, is Amazon going to drop 170 points? Will it give it back tomorrow or this week? I don't know, but I've seen that happen before. So it's kind of risky. I sold the 3,500s twice, and for protection, I bought the 3,450 and then another 3,400, right? So that trade is up $362. I meant to show you on the other portfolio. You can look at the Amazon, and for the day, great day, up 2,700 for the position, up 6,000. And I already showed you how much is left to go if the thing can actually trade my way. So I just want to be patient. I want to exercise patience and kind of collect that money over time. It'll get there. As long as this thing can continue to go up, we don't have no disasters. Even though we do, we see what happened last March. It comes right back, right? You just got to be patient, but it will be pain while you're being patient. Anyway, there's the move. Amazon is going a lot higher. I think this breakout is for real. I'm going to go to the daily to show you what's happening real quick. How high it is. This line right here, I had sold I think I bought a call spread. I think I bought it back already. Get rid of that line. Oh, I got rid of everything. But there's the breakout. Here's the volume, right? Breakout, a volume breakout. This is like a textbook breakout. And if everything else stays textbook, this breakout should be extensive, just like the NVIDIA breakout. And I always think breakouts, should go. This is why the NVIDIA trade messed me up like that, right? But NVIDIA went like this. And that's why I made money, but I messed up the trade. I wanted to get out for the pullback. I never got the pullback. But I've been selling puts under it. I'm still making good money off of that. But bottom line, this thing will extend itself the same range this part extended itself, right? That's 1,500 points, right? So 3,600 plus 15, it brings you right at 5,000, 5,100. I don't know, when, but that's my target. That's a nice little round number. I already think there's analysts predicting that 4,800 to 5,000. There it is, man. Amazon. Great trade. I should say great stock. Great stock. You make a great trade. And I had showed you my trades. And hopefully I win, man. I do lose trades. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor and all that stuff. Entertainment purpose. I'm using my portfolio to entertain you and hopefully educate you that the breakout is happening. This is a textbook breakout. So you decide if you want to, how you want to play that. And I showed you how I'm playing it. All right, so thanks for watching, man. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you in Amazon. Put it in the comments below. Let me know if you believe in a breakout. By the way, one thing about breakouts that are scary, if it's a fake out, it will turn the other way and go hard. It will go hard the other way. And this is one of the reasons why I like leaps, because if that happens, I have time. I have 2 years. I have 2 years for the trade to happen. So you have to be careful. If it breaks out, you've seen it here, right? It goes the other way hard. It just gets rejected and pushed down. So be careful. That didn't happen here, and that's why I was bullish. Got a lot bullish because it didn't bring it down to the other end. All right, so thanks for watching, man. Twitter, Instagram, Dre Trades over there. Catch me. Let me know what you think of this video. If you like it, subscribe, do all of that for me. And I appreciate you. And come back for the next video. You know the deal. Dre Trades, and I'm out. Peace.